Hello everyone! In today's video, we're making baked chickpeas, which is a healthy alternative to popcorn. Baked chickpeas are crunchy just like popcorn, and it is very addictive, great for those who love to snack on crunchy or crispy foods. Most popcorns sold in the US are GMO, so this should be a better option. There are only 2 ingredients used in this recipe: a can of chickpeas and cumin powder. The first step is to properly wash and drain the chickpeas. Make sure it is 100% dry to avoid sogginess, so air dry it for a few hours. Then coat the chickpeas with olive oil before you add the cumin powder. Then sprinkle with cumin powder all over. The cumin powder goes well with chickpeas just like hummus. You can add pepper or dried parsley too if you want. This would taste like a classic Middle Eastern flavored snack. Then bake it in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. You can add more time to make it crunchier. There you go, this is ready to eat. Did you know that chickpeas are a good source of non-animal protein, which are great for vegans or vegetarians? According to the US Department of Agriculture Food Data Central, 1 cup of chickpeas has these following benefits. I hope you can try this great snack at home and compare it with popcorn. Have a lovely day!